to them and ourselves to fight back. With Alpha King's Force Factor, it's never been easier. Just one small pill a day for a serious boost in total testosterone. Alpha King is on the rise at GNC, but you can claim a complimentary bottle by texting LINE to 809-809. More lean muscle from your workouts, more energy to power through the day, and more passion and drive so you can rule the bedroom. It's no wonder thousands of men across America trust Alpha King to fuel their performance. Just text LINE to 809-809 for your complimentary bottle. A $35 value. Respond in the next 10 minutes for your chance to also snag a bottle of Score, our #1 performance libido enhancer. That's LINE to 809-809.
Are made on Saturday night.
Tonight at 7 right here on ESPN, we'll have the exclusive reveal of the next college football playoff top 25 rankings, who is moving up and who is coming down. You can always watch live on the ESPN app from anywhere. ESPN Basketball, A Love Story, our unprecedented 24-hour film that consists of more than 60 interconnected short stories, continues tonight with the final 2 episodes starting at 8 p.m. Eastern. All episodes also streaming live on the ESPN app.
It is time for Steven's A-List, my top 5 teams on